encirclement. Encirclement means you capture wide slice of enemy territory through this attack. That means quickly go to bang, 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 and then take over. Okay? Before the guy can recover, you already control market already. That's encirclement attack. It means you capture wide slice of enemy territory through a comprehensive peace attack. Okay? And this strategy makes sense if you have command superior resources. You got no resources, nobody, don't ever do that. Because you die also. You cannot spread yourself too thin, you die. The guy got, say example, the guy got 100,000 people. If you got 60,000, then you will fight. But if you got 60,000, or for that matter, you got 80,000, but 80,000 of good one, then you can fight. Okay, that's a peace attack. Maybe you go, they're attacking the whole market, you know. Okay, that's why it's a peace attack, and that's what I call an encirclement attack. Guerrilla attack is very small intermediate attack to harass and demoralize opinion, and then secure dominant foothold. That's what guerrilla attack. Guerrilla attack, it comes from actually the White Nam War. You know White Nam War? The White Kong. That time the White Kong, the North Vietnamese